Bam! I know I nailed this hairstyle. Well, I think I nailed it. This is actually called the butterfly braids. I wanted to try this out. I haven't done a hair tutorial in ages. I thought it was a great way to come back to 2024 and show you guys what we have on this channel. Now, do know I will be sharing so much more with you. I hope you stick around for this short tutorial. Hope you love the way I did mine. I know everybody have a different style. Everybody have a different way they would want this to look. I wanted the front to look a bit flatter. The back is a tiny bit different, but I feel I nailed it. Anyhow, I do also have a business where I sell skincare, hair care products, and I have a candle line that is on my website www.darcikin.organics. You can see some of the products under these videos, and I'll just put a little clip here at the market where I was selling all my products. I hope you guys stick around for this, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet, hit the subscription button, and yeah, let me know what else you'd like to see. We're gonna keep it fun and just interesting for 2024, and hope you guys enjoy the tutorials I have coming on this platform. It's so wonderful to come here to do this hairstyle. Again, this is the hairstyle we're doing in this video. It is called the butterfly braids. I just did a few on this side and a few on that side. I curl the ends. I will be curling the ends of this one, and you get a chance to see the completed look. So let's get to creating this hairstyle. I am not doing this hairstyle very small. We're trying to do it a bit jumbo, I would say medium size, so that I could complete this hairstyle, because it could be a time-consuming hairstyle. Now, if you do want to schedule some time to meet with me to have it done, that would be the case. So in speaking about my hair products, the hair butter, usually what I like to do, I would take a spray bottle and just spray some, just hydrate my natural hair, okay? Hydrate my natural hair with a little bit of water. Then I would go in with the hair elixir. So sometimes I like to add some heat so my hair is a bit warm. Just take a blow dryer, just add some heat to the hair, not heat to let the hair get straightened, because I love my textured hair. So I'm just going to add a few drops of it. What I like to do, I like to section it off and also just put the oil in the hair, massage that in, and then I would also go in with the castor oil. Again, you will find these on my website, Darcikin Organics. This is the castor oil, especially the front of my hair, because I don't want thin edges. Again, when you are aging, sometimes your hair thins out. Yeah, and you wear a lot of wigs and a lot of braids. I wear a lot of heavy braids, so my braids, they're always like knee length, so it's a lot of pressure on the front edges of my, like, I just took off braids in my hair and they were very long, and I find it damaged the front of my hair. So now I'm going back trying to create lighter hairstyles so that my edges will grow. Okay, now that we have done this, it's time for a separation. You could use Shine and Jam to get a very clean separation. First, I'm going in with the tip of the comb. Let's get it about here. We do not want these that I'm using my phone right now. I'm so excited to come back and do this. Yeah, I've separated this. I'm going to take rubber bands and just ensure that there is no hair mixing. And we are going to have a straight cut. The goal is to ensure that one of the braids fall on top of the line. So it's like a checkered style. There is always a braid covering the line, okay? So we're going to This at the back. Take some of your shine and jam. Ensure that it is sleek. If you want it very neat, it's good to just take a blow dryer and straighten out your hair. This way, the braid root is going to look very smooth. Sometimes I like to blow dry my clients' hair, but it's not something I like to use. I don't like heat added to the natural hair. I prefer to leave it in its natural form. So if you're the one who loves to see the sleek, neat, crisp, separation, then go ahead, straighten up your hair and you will get that look. Now we're going to be using the hair. I will be separating it into three different parts. I am going to start with one that is very small because I am doing a knotless transitioning into the butterfly. So very small. Then I'm going to gradually add some more hair because you do want a little body to it. And the final one, okay? So first, foremost, I am going to come very close to show you guys the wisdom gray hairs. They're popping up. Wisdom gray hair, I call it. So we're going to start right now. Let's see. Sure. I am doing I want you to watch closely. Hopefully you guys see. Pass this one under. When I am going to take this one, this is where I take the braid. I pass it, join it with that same hair I just pulled out, and I continue braiding. One, that same finger takes this braid, and I am going to add the second part right here. Okay, I'm going to continue braiding. Bring the hair back, and this is where the third hair is going to join. So it's going to thicken it up a bit. Okay, I will show you guys how it's going to look. So this should be your routine. Okay. Okay. And this is where I flip it and I start doing, gonna come closer. I start doing my butterfly from here, very close to the root. That's one. One, two, three. We open this one. Make sure they're even. When you tighten up the braid, 2, 3, and then we open up this one. So open it up as wide as you want, okay?
I wanted to come in and show you a closer look at how I pulled out the hair. The pattern is 1, 2, 3 and pull. So I'm just pulling it out right now. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to pull on the opposite side. So this is the pattern I'm using to achieve this style. I wanted the front a bit wider, so I will be pulling a bit more at the front as opposed to the back and the side. Okay, so I hope this helps you achieve this style. If you like the pattern I use, you could tell me in the description box below, in the comment box below. Bye.
I also want to speak about my hair care line. This is the hair butter we are actually selling. Hopefully this could just show with the lights that I have on. And it's a hibiscus butter for the natural hair. It has this pale pinkish tone to it. My light is too much. Okay, so you can see in the background here has this pinkish tone to it right here because of the hibiscus infusion. And we have the 100% extra virgin castor oil with essential oils like peppermint, rosemary, tea tree. Really good essential oils to help stimulate the hair for hair growth. This is the hair elixir. You can see it very nice. Maybe in the background. This is the hair elixirs. You guys could find them on my website, that is Darcikin Organics. Also, follow me on Instagram. You get a chance to see me live when I create my products.